Hey everyone! Do you love cooking with your cast iron skillet but hate cleaning it because you're worried about ruining it? You're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to wash your cast iron skillet step by step without damaging that amazing seasoning you've worked so hard to build. And don't worry, it's easier than you think. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! After cooking, you want to let your skillet cool down, but not completely. A hot skillet can crack if rinsed with cold water, so let it cool to a warm but still manageable temperature. This helps loosen any food bits stuck to the surface. Take your skillet to the sink and rinse it with warm water. If there are stubborn bits of food stuck on, grab a non-abrasive sponge or a stiff brush. A stiff-bristled brush works wonders. America's Test Kitchen actually recommends this because it's tough on food bits but gentle on the skillet. And no, soap isn't the enemy. You can use a drop of mild dish soap if you need to. The myth that soap destroys seasoning has been debunked by experts like Lodge Cast Iron, one of the leading cast iron manufacturers. Just don't go overboard with the soap. Pro tip: tackling tough stuck-on food. If you've got really stubborn food bits, try scrubbing the skillet with coarse kosher salt and a little water. Rub it gently with a sponge or cloth, then rinse and dry as usual. The salt acts as a mild abrasive without harming the surface. Once your skillet is clean, drying it thoroughly is absolutely critical to prevent rust. Use a clean towel or paper towels to remove all water. Don't leave it to air dry. Cast iron doesn't like water hanging around. Now that your skillet is clean and dry, it's time to add a light coat of oil to keep it seasoned. Use a few drops of cooking oil, like vegetable or canola oil, and rub it all over the surface with a paper towel or a clean cloth. Lodge recommends heating the skillet on your stovetop for a couple of minutes to let the oil absorb fully. This not only prevents rust, but also strengthens the seasoning for your next cooking session. Now let's answer some common questions about cast iron care. Can I soak my cast iron skillet? Nope. Extended exposure to water can cause rust. What if it's already rusty? Don't worry. Rust can often be removed with steel wool, followed by reseasoning. Do I have to reseason every time? Yes, but just a light oil coating, not the full oven seasoning process. And that's it. You've just learned how to wash a cast iron skillet the right way. If this video was helpful, please hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and leave a comment below with your favorite cast iron cleaning hack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.